3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is revolutionizing industries across the globe and rapidly becoming the future of manufacturing due to its ability for rapid prototyping and cost-saving measures. 3D printers take files made using CAD, computer-aided design, and through the use of cutting-edge technology, takes raw materials to turn them into tangible objects layer by layer. It is becoming favored across various industries for its versatility in applications ranging from customized prosthetics, lightweight and complex aerospace components, to even artistic sculptures and design. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned to learn more about 3D printing.